Hey, it's Dr. Denke at Select Spine and Sports Medicine. Today we're here with Jesus, and he's got some lower back to mid-back pain as well as hip pain. So stay tuned, we're going to explain that and do a full spine adjustment plus the hip. All right, so we're back with Jesus, and here's what we found. He's got discomfort and restriction or tightness with rotation in the mid-thoracic spine. Now, does it bother you at all going side to side? No, just rotation. So as I was checking him out back here, I noticed that the left side erector spinae were more developed. And as he rotated towards the left, that was kind of okay in his opinion. Going towards the right, though, was more restricted, and that's when those left side erector spinae were tight and restricting that right rotation. Now, before you came in, we did what was called active release. Come around here, I'll show you how that works. What we did was I applied pressure here, and you may be able to see in this video here that he's got, this side is a little bit more developed than the other. What I did was held pressure here on these erector spinae and then had him roll forward while I pin those muscles down in an effort to elongate and soften those muscles. We also did that with lateral flexion going towards the right, and we also did that to the left. Now, lay on your stomach for me. I'm going to show you something else that we pointed out here a second ago, and that is leg length. Like I said, he came in, he had left-sided hip pain, mostly in the side and the front. We found tightness in the tensor fasciae lata, the glute medius, the glute minimus. So we had him lay down. We're just going to pull both legs down evenly here so they both just hang off the end of the table. Now, we're going to push the legs together, and this left heel does not line up with the right heel, right? We're pretty off right there. So he's also got some tightness in the left hip flexor. And again, the muscles here on this side are more developed, which can alter the pelvis here and create that leg length imbalance. I'm not implying at all that these bones are shorter. There's a pelvic imbalance here that's creating a leg length discrepancy. So we are going to try to correct that here with some of the things that we do. I'm going to throw this off. This is clean. Don't worry about that. All right. Slide up just a little bit, and I'm going to have you drop your hands down to the floor. Now, before we also did some active release in the hip to loosen the glute medius, minimus, and TFL. Now, let the hands drop to the floor here. We're going to do some manipulation here to the spine to get these spinal joints moving better, increase the motion and function in all planes here. And we're going to start right there. So, I'm going to put a hand here and here, and what I want you to do is breathe in and then all the way out. Just relax the back. Good. And again. Good. Again, one more. Good. Now, got a little movement in there, right? You felt that, although it didn't make a lot of noise. But, and he said yes, just in case you can't hear that. Now, let's go again right here. Breathe in and hold your breath in. Good, relax. Okay, we're going to come up here. So I just want you to keep this nice and relaxed. See this upper thoracic spine, it curves here a little bit. That's normal. What we want to do is get this cervicothoracic junction moving a little bit better. He's stiff right here, especially right there. Right? You feel that?
I do.
More so on the right than the left, actually. So let's go right here first. All right. Keep that nice and relaxed here. We're going to tilt the head a little. One more. Good. That was a good one. Had to give it a little extra effort there.
I feel it.
Let's go right there. All right. Nice and easy right here. Oh, good. One more. Good. Relax. Good. Okay. Now, I want you to lay on your side facing this way. Yes. That feel okay so far?
Yes, feel good.
Good. All right, so you're going to bend here, straighten that bottom one now. There you go, right there. Right there. You're going to go here and here. Hold your arm here. Good. I'm going to slide you this way a little bit. So now, you know, as we said, he was restricted here with some of the rotational movements, so we're going to induce some of that rotation here. I'm going to have him roll this way. Keep everything nice and relaxed. Perfect. Good. Now go the other way. That feel all right? That was good. Good. Now let's go right here. Keep that one straight. Good here. Now, right there. All right. Now, same thing going this way. Nice and relaxed. Good. Very good. All right. That feel good?
What I needed.
Good. Okay, lay on your back. Now, we're going to stay like that. We're going to check here now. Good. So, we're going to get the legs. Hang on. Let's have you straighten up a little better. Good. Good. Relax. All right, now keep this hip and knee nice and relaxed here. Very good. Now, let's go here. Good. That feel all right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now we're going to get your neck. Slide up to the top here.
It's the best part.
Yeah.
I like this one a lot.
Come up just a little more. Good. Okay. This is everybody's favorite.
Mm-hmm.
A little tighter on the right. Right through. Right there. A little tender there.
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. We can get right there first. Keep this nice and relaxed. Perfect. Now, let's do this side. That feel all right?
It did.
Good. Same thing here. Good. All right. Go ahead and flip over now. Let's recheck the leg length. Flip over on your stomach. Now, what we were going for is to try to balance that pelvis and create evenness within the legs. I'm going to do the same thing. Pull you straight down. Keep everything nice and relaxed. We're going to push the legs back together. And oh my God, it's a miracle. Everything's even. Now, I told you earlier to come check it out, so you know that I was being serious and you could tell him. Come tell him now. Look, is that even or not?
Yeah.
It's even. Good. He's balanced now. If you like that, be sure to like the video, subscribe, watch the next one right here. See you soon.